Over the past 2 seasons, we have sailed Acadian down the Caribbean island chain for safekeeping during hurricane season. We return in October to splash the boat and sail back up to the US Virgin Islands. This episode is of our trip leaving Grenada in November of 2022. Alright, today is November 5th? Sheesh, it's already the 5th. We're 2 days behind schedule. So we were able to make it here on time and check out of Grenada. So we are no longer legally in the country of Grenada. Next port is Union Island in the Grenadines. We've got our brand new mainsail up. It's not really doing anything right now, but hopefully when we turn and later in the trip we'll get some good wind. This thing was a beast yesterday, dude. Fastest I've ever seen our boat.
So how are we going, Ben?
Really good.
Not too much wind, huh?
No wind, but that's fine. We're going.
Yeah.
We also have a brand new bottom job too, so I'm sure that helps.
Right.
Now all we need is a little bit of wind, to try the sails out. Alright, so this is our first time under full sail with the new precision sail. The boat is flying, dude. We got a brand new mainsail and 110% jib. I'm speechless, really. We're easily doing 7 and we're in 12 knots of breeze. I'm sorry, 7 to 8, over 7, almost 8 knots in a 12 knot breeze. I mean, the boat is just hauling. New sails, game changer for this boat. She is like completely different now, man. Alright, here we are. So we're on our approach to Union Island. Really fast trip. We've been sailing for the last 30 miles or so. I think it's safe to say that we're both happy with the performance of the boat now. We just had so many things wrong that have been fixed on this this haul out. So, what do you think, babe?
It's awesome. Like doubled our speed.
I know.
I can't believe we're gonna get there before noon. That's amazing.
It's crazy. Yeah.
Are in Union Island and we're getting ready to head out. We are going to Tobago Keys.
It's a marine park in the Grenadines. It's supposed to be Bahama-esque.
Bahama-esque.
Bahama-ish. Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll have one this afternoon and check it out.
Union Island has been pretty good. It's a very small community, not many boats here, just us. These 3 boats showed up yesterday, so it's a little too crowded here, so it's time for us to go. Alright, so we're on approach to Tobago Keys. It's directly in front of us. A couple of small islands in the archipelago of the St. Vincent and Grenadines island chain. And yeah, we're going to go in and anchor right here behind the islands. Actually, we're going to try and pick up a mooring ball because there are mooring balls in here. New islands to explore. We were immediately met by Free Willy. One of the locals here, he offered us a meal tonight, lobster on the beach. It's 130 EC per person. That's kind of expensive. We also, for the first time, carried our dinghy with the outboard on the arch. Look at that. So now all we've got to do is drop the dinghy in the water and it's ready. We don't have to put the thing together. It's already together. All right, let's do it.
We only plan to stay in Tobago Keys for 1 night. So we decided to spring for the pricey lobster dinner, which was absolutely worth it. We wake up early the next morning and head for the next port, Bequia. Bequia. A few of our friends are here that we haven't seen since we left Luperon, which was about 1.5 years ago. So we're gonna go meet up with them, but first we need to go throw our trash and get some cash. Cash and trash. After taking care of a few errands, we meet up with some old friends to climb Bequia's famous Peggy Rock. Named after Peggy Kidd, who used to sit at the peak and point out the shoals of fish for the local fishermen.
Dogs everywhere. A whale slaughtering station. It's probably like one of the only ones left in the world.
Yeah.
An interesting and also controversial fact about Bequia is that they are allowed by the International Whaling Commission to harvest up to 4 North Atlantic humpback whales each year. The practice began 140 years ago and is considered Aboriginal subsistence whaling. Apparently it's a big event when the island gets a whale and everyone is entitled to a certain amount. Every part of the whale is consumed or utilized in some way.
Say it again. One more time. Come on.
The Mount Peggy hike is pretty hard to find. There is no sign marking the trailhead, and it literally starts in someone's driveway. Luckily, our friends had already done this hike before, so they were able to guide the way.
I think flip-flops were not the best choice. Shoes today. It's alright though.
Little turtle. White arrow. The locals are like, oh, you'll be able to find it. You'll see the white arrow. So, as you can see, it was an hour of hiking with no white arrows until you found the white arrows.
Alright, that's the top. And we're just about to summit this peak. Dude, how the hell did you get up here? Like, what did you do to get all the way up here? Yeah, here we go. You guys got it?
The hike up to Peggy Rock takes about 2 hours and is considered a moderate intensity. Once we reached the peak, the views were incredible. We spent some time resting up and enjoying the scenery before making our way back down. On our way back to the boat, we stopped at a local bar for some cold beers and rum. You ready? The local rum here, called Sunset, makes the list as one of the top 5 strongest rums in the world. It's 169 proof, basically twice as strong as your average rum. Most of us stuck with beer.
Do it. Up we go. Up we go yourself. Do it. Ain't that bad. Just wait.
Famous first words.
I've seen it happen before. This is the last time we saw him standing. It's actually not bad. It's good. That was everything.
After a few beers, one of the locals showed us the moray eel he had sun-drying on top of the roof. Once the eel is ready, it's traditionally served with coconut dumplings and fried plantains. It sounded delicious, but this one wasn't ready yet, so we weren't able to try it. Soon after, we make our way back to the boat.
Yeah, we're doing it with like sawfish. This is a very nice thing.
No, sushi eel is my favorite.
Sushi eel, this is no more than nothing. And you just get this thing to eat. We do this mostly with dumpling, coconut dumpling, sweet potato, green bananas. That's what they go for. But it's very nice.
So that's an eel?
Yeah.
It's a big eel.
You can see where he got him to.
Alright, so we are en route to Martinique. We left Bequia late last night. A little later than we wanted to. We had decided to sign up for a rum distillery tour before we left, which actually turned out not to be a rum distillery tour, but rather a 6-hour pub crawl.
Beautiful people from all over the world. Here they are. Here we go. Yeah. We got it together.
Don't worry, we stayed sober. But anyway, so we have about 40 miles left. 40 miles left to go. We're motor sailing, not much wind today, but the sea state's calm, so that's nice. So we should be there, I guess, in about 10 hours or so? About 10 hours. No, less than that. 40 miles, 6 knots, what's that? 8 hours.
To whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worry. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watched from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough